7 years ago, I began my personal development journey, and it totally transformed the way I approach my goals. Today, I want to share why personal development is crucial for achieving success. Stick with me and we'll dive into practical steps to help you grow, boost your confidence, and take control of your future. Hey everyone, welcome back to Inner Growth Mentorship. I'm your mentor, Keely. Today, we're talking about something extremely important on the journey to success and fulfillment: personal development. Personal development is all about improving yourself so that you can reach your full potential. It's the foundation that helps you achieve your goals, build confidence, and navigate life's challenges with resilience. When you work on personal development, you're investing in your future self. Whether it's learning a new skill, developing a positive mindset, or simply building healthier habits, personal growth can have a huge impact on every area of your life. One of the best ways to start on your personal development journey is by setting clear, achievable goals. Your goals should align with where you want to go and who you want to become. Start small. Focus on realistic, short-term goals that build towards the bigger vision. When you achieve these goals, it builds your confidence and creates momentum. Personal development is an ongoing journey, and one of the best practices is to stay open to learning. That can mean reading books, taking online courses, or finding a mentor. Learning new things expands your perspective, helps you gain skills, and keeps your mind active. When you make learning a habit, you're continuously improving and adapting. Self-reflection is an underrated but powerful tool for personal development. Taking time to check in with yourself allows you to see your progress, check your strengths and weaknesses, and make adjustments. You could start a daily journal, meditate, or just take 5 to 10 minutes a day to reflect on how you did and where you can improve. Self-reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals and keeps you mindful of your growth. Habits are the building blocks of personal development. Establishing a positive daily routine, whether it's exercising, practicing gratitude, or setting aside time to learn, can make a huge difference. Routines bring structure and consistency into your life. You can start by building one habit at a time, and over time, these habits can transform your life. Who you spend time with can greatly influence your personal development. Surround yourself with people that encourage you, support your growth, and challenge you to be the best version of yourself. Your environment matters. Take stock of the people and the media that you consume. Being around positivity and inspiration makes it easier for you to stay motivated on your journey. Personal development isn't a one-time thing, it is lifelong. By focusing on growth, learning, and self-reflection, you're building a strong foundation to reach your goals and live a fulfilling life. Remember, personal growth is about progress, not perfection. Each small step counts and moves you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. If you found these personal development tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.